Okay, wicked. Right, got that up. All sorted. Right, welcome everyone. All feeling up nicely here. Yes, okay. Put that on as well. So welcome to a new week over here. Hope you all had a really good weekend. We're gonna get started in a second. Let's put this up over here. Nice echo you've got going on, really. Is there an echo? I think it's okay. Do I sound alright, guys? Is there an echo or not?
No, you sound good, Max. How's it, mate?
Wicked, wicked. Right, welcome everyone. So it is a new week over here. Let me just move this. So yeah, beautiful stuff. So let's take a look at what happened through Asian session over here. It looks like we had a gap down. Quite a large amount as well, 100 pip gap down, which is pretty interesting. Retraced quite a lot of it as well. And now, yeah, kind of ranging in this area. Let's take a look then at the higher time frame. So it looks like on Friday, we did close bullish, which is nice to see. However, we already exceeded the low of the previous one already. Let's take a look here. Yes, daily at the moment is quite bearish. The last 4-hour candle closed bullish on support, previous 4-hour support as well. And this one's exceeded the high of it, which is nice. So still kind of bearish overall with the trend. Looking at the higher time frames. So yeah, looking quite interesting. I do think though, even on this area, I think if we pass 154.978, it could be quite good for buys to continue bullish, because this is the resistance right now. So that is quite nice. So let's take a look at the lower time frames over here. So yeah, hourly over here reacted off hourly support, like you see. This clearly can see is the biggest hourly support. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah, like below 154, 190, 140 area. Yeah, so this for me is the support level. Clear indications that if we do pass this level and close below, could be quite good to take sells below and to take profits at the next previous zone. So this actual zone here is very nice. Yeah, like 60-70 pips. That's a pretty nice range. GJ has a minor resistance, which is approaching right now at 154,600, which is quite nice. Is this enough to continue up? Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, I think that makes sense if price wanted to continue bullish. The only issue is the traffic to the left, but if we did get some strong candles above this area, could be nice to flip the daily again. So yeah, maybe if this hourly time frame closes above 579, that could be good to continue bullish. But yeah, so potentially buys above 154,630 and sells below 154,130. That's what we're looking at today. Looking like the higher time frames haven't really given us a proper direction, so you can kind of look at both ways really. So yeah, looks pretty good. If we come up to 600 here, we could fill the gap, which is 40 pips, so that's pretty reasonable. That is pretty reasonable. Good morning everyone on YouTube. Good morning. Hope everyone had a good weekend. And yeah, we're chilling. So yeah, let me just write what we're looking for over here now then. So yeah, buys above 154,627. Beautiful. And then sells below. Actually, wait, let's just take a look over here just before I put this on. So sells below here on the 50-minute time frame, but there is a support right here. So I'm gonna move this a bit further down. Yeah, there's quite a lot of traffic to the left here as well. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, potentially closure below 154, I think here. So it looks like probably sells are the most reasonable. I'm probably going to work out this morning, maybe. So that'll be good. I'm anticipating a stop hunt above that level to take retail out, then a continuation lower. Back up to 155. Yeah. There's quite a lot of movement actually that happened there with that gap, 100 pips. Yeah, I'm more into buy today as daily and weekly candle has no top wick and the price rejected that 154, 190 level multiple times today. Buy when candle closed above 154, 620 is great. London Open should push, yeah. Yeah, so it should be good. I think so too. The daily has no top wick, so yeah. That would be pretty nice. Let's just open this here. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Let's take a look at gold as well in a second, but I'm just going to see. So recently, the past 50-minute candles here, kind of a doji candle showing indecision. So yeah, I'm just going to wait till we get a clear push somewhere, and then we can start to look for trades. So yeah, and hopefully this week we don't have to get stupid 9-pip trades. We can get some 10-pip ones over here.
Sup, Maxie?
Sup, my boy? How you doing, Vinny boy? How was the weekend?
Oh, it was good, mate. Good. What about yourself?
Yeah, it was alright. It was not too bad. Kind of relaxing, to be fair. Wasn't too
I already
bad.
took 15 pips on gold this morning.
Nice.
Not this morning, just
Okay.
before.
Okay.
Should have
nice.
held it. It ran 40.
Oh, 15 is not too bad though. We'll take a look at gold then. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So daily time frame over here, bullish. Doesn't have a bottom wick. It's fine though. 4 hour. Oh wow, the 4 hour. The last 4 hour at open again, gapped up. You can see 4 hour right now is bearish, potentially exceeding the low of the previous. Okay, quite interested. Let's take a look at the hourlies. Yeah, hourly's starting to come down. Let's see if there's a potential support it's holding. Yeah. Oh, Finn, where did you get in? Did you take a buy or a sell?
I took a sell, actually.
Nice.
I'll tell you where. So it was, what time was that at? So 4 o'clock my time. Must have been 5 a.m. your time.
Yeah.
See that? See that first little bullish.
Yeah.
It came up and tapped that resistance a bit. The second big bullish was I got it exceeding the lows.
Yeah.
That right there.
Nice. Nice.
10 pip stop. It was too good not to.
Yeah. That was good. Oh yeah, 45 pips the low. Jeez.
Yeah, so I didn't quite get the 45, but I'm happy.
Yeah,
Still
that's
happy.
good. Nice to see. We could start. I want to check what Max thinks of buys above 154, 630 level. Positive confidence, clean candles to the left, 30 clean pips, H4 continuation, gap fills, 1 hour closure might be better, negative confidence, bearish bias, daily bearish, H4 potential range. No, I think a closure above 620 is grand. I don't think the daily is bearish really. Let's take a look on the higher time frames now. No, I don't think the trend is bearish because the last candle was a daily bullish closure. If you actually look at the trend as a whole, you know, we're kind of just so it was bullish. This one hasn't really exceeded the low and has exceeded the high. So yeah, it's still kind of a bullish area. It's just having a bit of a retracement back at support over here. So it's not really bearish in the higher time frames. So yeah, I think it's still reasonable, to be honest. I think it's good. I think you got a lot of confidences there. 7 minutes left for the 30. Should be nice. And yeah, we'll see. Sell gold 18.99. Ooh, someone's looking at selling gold. So yeah, let's take a look over here. So gold. It's potentially coming past this little support it's got over here. Take a look on the hourly. 36 minutes left. Wow, if this closes below, that could be nice. Clean candles.
Your daily looks different. See, I'm the same with I've swapped across to Wanda, but if you go to FXM or something,
Yeah.
right now this is the daily lows because it gapped so much this morning.
Let's take a look. Oh wait, how the hell do I find it? Where is FXCM? Oh, is it? Wait, is it?
I'll just search. Yeah. Or even the IDC one, whatever, just IDC will be fine, or something else, just not Oanda.
Yeah. Oh, there. Take a look.
So it's still closing below, which is good, obviously, to say that then it's going to...
Yeah.
But it just then, obviously, because it gapped so much at the start, that's... yeah.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, that's good then. I think that'll be quite interesting to continue, maybe. You can kind of see the gap, really, actually. It's just this candle, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, potentially, let's take a look on this 15 again. Let's go to the left-hand side. A little bit of support there as well. 1905, which makes sense because that's the resistance. So yeah, closures below this level could be quite interesting. 30 minutes closing in 3 minutes time. How are stops looking like on gold right now? Are they pretty bad or not horrendous? Not horrendous, which is okay. Let's take a look here. Let's move this back there. I've sorted calls. And should I hold or book? USD INR. What the hell is that? USD INR. What currency is that? Damn. So yeah, potentially closure below over here would be quite nice. That could be pretty reasonable. Let's just do on wait for the 8 o'clock push. We'll have to see. But yeah, we'll see 4 minutes time. We'll see this closure. Indian rupees. Ah. Oh shit. Oh damn. Gold starting to pump over here. 40 pips down. Damn. Let's take a look at news as well. I'm pretty sure I checked there's nothing on. Yeah, there's nothing on really that I have to worry about, which is good. Makes it easier for us, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, it looks like a lot of volume came in over here. Exceeded the low of the previous 4-hour time frame. So yeah, looking pretty strong over here to continue, maybe. Which is nice. Morning Russia versus Ukraine. Yeah, it's still going on, I think, isn't it? I don't know how long it's going to go on for, man. Is it like months, years? Damn. What do you think on GU buys once this 30-minute closes if it stays as it is? Take a look. Wow, so it looks like gold has just done that move over here, so that's great. Let's take a look. GBP/USD. Let me just get rid of this big line over here. Yeah, potentially. I mean, the hourly time frame is closing back above hourly support, looking good to continue. And the 4-hour is starting to push up over here, rejecting the lows. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks very, very nice. Wow, that 5-minute just came out of nowhere. 1904. Nice. GJA is approaching the level that we're looking for to potentially take buys, which is nice to see. It is 730, a bit lower on that I'd want, but still, could be a good opportunity potentially soon. Let me just put this on. Oh wow, someone caught that gold trade over here. You caught it on the 5 minutes. Oh, nice. Stop loss above the previous 5 minute, was it? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I think potentially for runners should come to 1894. Basically did actually there. It's only 20 pips away. That was pretty good. Yeah, it looks like the gaps do normally fill as long as it's not a massive move. Normally the gaps do fill, so that's why I'm kind of looking at GJ's gap fill over here, which is pretty tasty. So yeah, let me just get this up. How was everyone's weekends then? Chat was all good. Caught 20 pips in less than 2 seconds on the break of the low on gold. I'm done for the night, lol. Wow, nice. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, I mean, really good zone as well. Kind of clean candles in this area. You know, the body of the candles are pretty big, so could easily get up to potential next levels. 154, 900 would be tasty. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we get a closure. It might not happen in this candle. Looks like it's not going to. So probably have to wait a little longer over here. But there's no rush. Start of the week. So yeah, gold's closed now, but for me, I kind of wanted to get in right around these areas, not too far down, because then your stops now, like in the previous zones, are fucking ages away, 80 pips. So yeah, I can't really do that. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, no, the daily now, my daily flip is 1889. Yeah, interesting. Looks like gold is playing in these areas over here from like 1920 to around 1889. That's where it seems to be playing. It looks like if we do break them lows or highs, then it's gonna move. Did you? Oh shit! Yeah, I'm gonna get back the watermarks. That was just because of the homework that I did. Let me just get the watermarks back. There you go. There you go. So yeah, 155 people in here. A wicked Monday morning for people to come on. But yeah, we'll see. So this 30-minute closed. Didn't really close above, but still a nice good candle to continue up. So maybe in the next 30 minutes a closure above would be nice for me. And that would be the daily rejecting, the 4-hour rejecting the lows again. So it should be good. What is your spread on gold? Let's take a look. Oh no, that's the wrong one. 1 second. Is that on a different account? Oh yeah, it's on my MT4 one. Let me take a look. Yeah, it's like 1.52. It's quite big today. It's quite big. What is yours? Check GXY. Ooh, send me a chart. Make sure to go in Discord, guys, and send me a chart. This week I'm going to be giving away magic keys on the Friday. So make sure to send some charts in, and I'm going to pick some winners over here for magic keys, which are the risk management tools. Let's take a look over here. Was this today? No, it's just last week. Ooh, that was nice. That was a nice closure again. So yeah, make sure to join the Discord, send some charts in. If you don't want to be in the Discord, then just send the links in the chat here. One admit, I see the day you taking the Evo out. What BHP you got that one? It's pretty much up there. It's tuned to the guts. I don't actually know the actual specs of it, but it's been tuned quite a lot, to be honest. Oh man, look at Goldie. Damn, nice. Oh, people should have held that on over here. 100 pips nearly. 100 pips. Clean candles to the left. Should come back to 1889. Clean candles. Oh, let me drink this coffee. Always leave a little runner on gold, especially when you've got clean candles like this to fill. Makes your life a lot easier. Makes your life a lot easier. So yeah, we'll see. It's looking like it's always creeping up, GJ, but it's just not there yet, which is fine. I'd rather wait until 8 o'clock until you get a nice closure, really. What do you think about GU buys once this 30-minute close? Oh yeah, we've already looked at that one. I think GU potentially could be good, same as like GJ. And let me just get rid of this.
Let's take a look at that photo on Telegram.
Yeah, let's take a look. Wow, nice. Easy work to start off the morning.
Really nice good morning for that guy.
Yeah. That was good. Straight in there. 5-minute closure below. Oof. Just hit 8% challenge from that gold sell. Oh wow, congratulations. Nice. Do you use indicators? Nope. I'm up 20 pips on EJ already in a few minutes, but I'm waiting for 60 pips. Are you waiting for 60 pips because you need the 60 pips, or is it because that's what you've risked? If you risk 60 pips for your stop, where's Milan? Milan's not up this morning yet, I think. You know, he's not here this morning yet. He will be soon, I'm assuming. My spread is ranging around 2.5 to 6.5 on gold. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, that's a lot. It's a lot. Coming towards the resistance level at 154,620. So it'll be interesting to see how it reacts to that level. If it gets a closure though, something like this, then that'll be looking nice to continue. I would rather have it at 8 o'clock to be honest with the volume, but looks like there's already quite a lot of volume in the markets already, so we'll see.
Yeah, the spreads on gold have been super average lately. Like even IC markets right now is 3 pips.
Yeah, I thought mine was
it's just gone down, but yeah, it's yeah, they're pretty high.
Yeah, mine's going
just
down
gone down a tad right now.
To
Yeah,
2.
but it was sitting on 3 for a long point there.
Yeah. Damn. 3 pips spread on gold. Jeez. 5 to 10 minutes, nice. 9 minutes left for this closure. Yeah, we'll see with this hourly time frame. But it's looking good though. 4 hours looking nice. Rejecting the low, so should be pretty decent. Should be pretty decent.
Max, is your IC markets terminal working?
Yeah.
Mine's frozen.
Oh, no, mine's working. Yeah, gold spread right now, I think 2 pips for me. Good risk to reward, 2.4, nice. I was waiting for the break and retest on the gold for 4 hour and I've missed the trade. Oof, that's a shame. Take a look on the 4 hour, yeah. That 4 hour candle form in here is quite a good sign as well, because the last one came up past 1917, rejected. And yeah, filling the wick now. Easy work. Easy work. Make sure to give a like on the stream over here, guys. 190 people in here. Nice work. 23 minutes left for 8 o'clock. For 8 o'clock, okay. And yeah, we'll see if we can get a nice Monday morning trade. If not, then it's fine. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks like the candles right now, clean candles. The price action's good. Can you see? Because you know each individual candle is exceeding the high the previous is and not exceeding the lows. So it's looking like good candlestick structure. Same here as well with bearish structure. Nice big candles. So yeah, it's looking like a good place to take trades. Hey Max, look at GA, my friend. Okay, I'll take a look at GA because sometimes I look at it. But if you guys are looking at a trade, if you guys are looking at a trade, send me a chart for the trade and I'll take a look at it. So it looks like the daily over here very, very bearish before. And the last sort of the last days of that week over here. The 4 hour time frame is bearish. Very nice, very nice. 4 hours made resistance over here at 1.86058. So looking good to continue down now. Hourly time frame pushing down. 30-minute is starting to push down. Did the 50-minute close below? No, it did not. That's a bit annoying. Hourly starting to push below. Maybe exceeding that hourly low was quite nice. To continue back down. Yeah, so looking now, like potentially flipping the daily time frame, which would be interesting. Where would you want to potentially taking sells? Well, let's take a look at the support. Yeah, so sells below potentially this zone here would be nice. You'd also have the daily with you at that point. And also the zone to the next previous zone support, sorry, is 28 pips, so pretty reasonable. Pretty reasonable. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's take a look at that on the 15. Yeah, a little traffic to the left here. Maybe a bit below. No, I think that should be still okay. But yeah, good rejection again. This candle here rejecting them highs would have been quite nice, potentially with the hourly exceeding the lows. And yeah, 4 hours pushing down now. So yeah, coming towards 4 hour and daily support, but you just gotta wait for closures below. Could be okay. So gold's wicked up over here. The chart looks horrible on IC markets, MT5, massive gaps. Yeah, just gapping. So this current 30-minute candle hasn't, did it exceed the high? Oh, nearly exceeded the high, the previous one. So definitely these two. But for sure, in the next 30 minutes or so, 20 minutes or so, we need to close above this area for me to continue bullish. So yeah. If you watched the football yesterday, I watched the recaps.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
What's up, Milan? What's up? What's up?
What's up?
New week, new week. Gold just launched down, Milan. 100 pips.
Yeah, I just got in.
5-minute
What? Fuck me. Already?
Yeah. Gold isn't stopping.
Shit.
Gold isn't stopping. Ooh, GU 30-minute closed above over here. Let's take a look in the hourly.
GU?
Hourly hasn't though. Yeah. It's gonna be exceeding the low. It's gonna be exceeding the low of the previous 15, which is a bit annoying. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so the next 90 minutes, what you're gonna want is an hourly closure above here. It's kind of the same as GJ. Hourly closure above to then continue to the highs. Could be nice. That is what I look for. But yeah, like always the things I'm looking at before the taking the trade is, you know, the way the candles are moving, the bodies of the candles. You know, is it looking nice? Like, is it looking like a, you know, nice bodies, nice wicks, nice respecting of the previous, etc. You can see we do have that at the moment, which is good to see. Especially in the hourlies as well, so looks reasonable. Just need a closure above. 5-minute closed bullish on gold. Kind of makes sense, the area it's tapping right now, because this is the little support I had before. Kind of did exactly what this candle did at 11 o'clock on the 25th of Feb. Pushed all the way down to 1893. And then retraced back up over here. So if you took these gold sells and didn't take any profits off at like this level or this level, then you're probably being a bit too greedy and looking at the money. Try and just focus on the trade. You need to take positions off. There's no point being up, you know, 1890 pips on gold and not taking any profits. Silly. Why don't sell GJ? Because GJ at the moment is not looking like a sell yet. I mean, potentially you could take sells, but where I really want them is the next issue. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, kind of hard to take sells. Maybe below the 4-hour flip. So a candle that looks something like that. That would look quite good to then continue back down to the lows over here. Because that'll be flipping the 4-hour.
Oh, wait, the charts are looking good, so clean.
Yeah. Oh yes. Looking pretty good.
And the zone is very easy to find.
Yeah, exactly. Marking out your zones is pretty simple. Pretty simple.
Especially GU.
GU. Still trying to find the education here. All talk, no trades, it seems. Ah, okay, yes. Marquinez. Well, mate, why don't you fuck off and go somewhere else?
Too right, Max. Too right.
Savage today, Max. You're savage.
Stop loss matter, savage gang.
Morning, boys. Morning.
Morning, morning. Morning, morning.
Morning.
That 4 hour was a nice push down, man. Yeah, I think GA as well coming down to the daily supports. Ooh, yeah, looks like GJ and GU kind of just struggling in this area. Just needs to float and close nicely. The 15 minutes closing in 46 seconds time. Kind of a doji candle over here. Doji candle. But yeah, still 50 minutes left on the GJ to potentially continue. But we'll have to see. Gold is still coming down to next liquidity area and pushing up NY open. Maybe. I'm kind of confused now what gold is doing now, because it looked like when we were coming up here 1972, it looked like we were starting to really continue bullish, and now it completely reversed, continued back to 1889. I wonder if I would love to know what this was about, you know. Was this sanctions on Russia, and Russia have a lot of gold, so like can they not trade their gold anymore, maybe? I don't know.
No, it was more US, the US dollar strengthening. Yeah, no, it got stronger.
Yeah.
With all the sanctions that they put, then
Yeah.
the banks that they closed and whatnot. So it just made the US dollar a little bit stronger than gold.
Yeah. Russia's
Because they're all safe havens.
Yeah. Russian's interest rate is 20% today, I think. Damn. 20% interest rate. That's mad. That is mad. 30 minutes left for this closure, we'll see. But still respecting kind of levels. I mean, the 50-minute over here didn't exceed the low, didn't really exceed the high, but we'll see. Looks like we're still pushing back up over here. Oh, shit. Let's take a look on the 15. Coming back up to the 600 level. 13 minutes left. Good thing is the zone in the next zones over here is, you know, enough room to take trades, so you don't have to be worried at getting in here. You can get in a bit higher up if needs be. So exceeded the high of the previous 30 now, which is good to see. Trying to think if, yeah, if you got in there, potential trade just out of resistance. So it's best to just wait a little bit longer over here. But it looks like there is good volume coming in. It did hit 1973 monthly resistance. They just sold the fuck out of gold for being so high, basically. That's great. Buy demand zone on gold, and more war tensions cause move money to go into safe havens. Yes. Oh yes.
Max, there is a resistance on GJ. Maybe the place where we should take profits.
Wait, where?
Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. 790. I think that'll be reasonable. That would be the kind of first area that I'll look for. And then furthermore, 154,920 would be, so like kind of like in this area. For sure, I think that looks pretty good. Anybody know about Fusion Market? Looking for a good broker for Canadian. Ooh, I've never heard of Fusion Market.
Fusion.
Yeah, Fusion for Canada. Fusion. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. I wonder how many people are still holding on this gold. Oof, even though they're in so much good profit there. 50 minute on gold closed. Weak bearish with a big rejection wick, and it, you know, it tapped in 1894. That is a support level. So that was the move done. Try not to think about it too much anymore. So yeah, we'll see. 11 minutes left. Looks like it's going to get a nice closure potentially in 11 minutes, so it's good. Very nice. But it looks like it just potentially is a little bit struggling here, so getting in early would be a bit of a cautious concern. It's best to just wait. I really want to see this hourly close above this area over here, 574, and then yeah, should be nice. GE 50 minute celery play. Is it too much? Is it too close to the hourly though? For me, it probably is. But yeah, I mean, it could potentially work over here. Rejected the lows, kind of making some support. Where would you stop speed if you got in on the high? Could get 12 pips from it. For me, I'd probably just wait the extra 10 minutes for the hourly closure. Russia talks with Ukraine to begin at 12. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, what I don't get what having talks about. Russia just, like, I don't get what talks are they going for. It's just a bit dodgy for me. If I was the Ukrainian president, I'd be staying the fuck away. They're going to try and one-tap me. Hell no. $256 people in, ready for London Open over here. Let's get it. I've also seen that some people already in the mentorship have already sent me the homework, so I'm going to go through that today. And yeah, we're looking good, looking good. Tomorrow is going to be the simulation on gold. We're going to do this after the London session tomorrow, so yeah, up and running nicely. Looking good now, coming towards 622, which is where I want the closure. And yeah, 9 minutes left. We shall see, we shall see. How much it stops about? 13 pips, 14 pips, okay. Not too bad. Not too bad, I suppose. Let's take a look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, very, very strong candle. Nice. Very, very strong candle. Looks like a lot of volumes coming in over here as well, which is good to see. Think I missed out on gold, question mark? Yes. I think that was the move. The only way you really could have got in there is the 5 minutes, but yeah, I was waiting for a 15 closure like 1903, but I didn't do it, unfortunately. Hey Max, how many lots do you normally use on gold? Normally like 3.5 or 4 kind of area. That kind of area. But yeah, it's been interesting gold. The past couple months have been very, very nice in gold. Just GG is the one that hasn't been playing nicely. But gold recently has been very, very good to see the moves and stuff. Especially 8 AM Eastern. Very nice. Yeah, me and the group over here have been going through gold, backtesting the ATM candles, showing how to get in, and we've been doing really well on it, so it's nice to see. Last Monday at this time last week, we took a beautiful 60 pip trade on gold, which was very nice. So yeah, it was good. 7 minutes left. Will we hold off? So first area is like 16 pips, which is fine. It could have enough momentum to just break above it, which would be good. 9 pips in GU and 30 minutes start slipping after a nice bottom wick. Oh wow. So it looks like the 50-minute salary play didn't work over here. Nearly. Look at the hourly now, looking like a strong closure. It needs to close now above 1.33905 to continue. Looks like it may do this though soon. 6 minutes left. Looking good, looking good. Let's just get this nicely. So yeah, we'll see. 277 people in here. Damn! We smashing the chat. Really, really good work today already. 5 minutes left. Uncle Ted is the godfather, yes. Where are you from in the UK? I'm from Newcastle. Newcastle. Can you do a short review on USD CAD sales? I don't really want to be honest, but why is that? It's because USD isn't open and CAD isn't open, so yeah. Don't really too mind about that. Because when they're not already open, normally price ranges, so. Apart from, what was the trade that people asked me about last week and it launched? Was it AUD JPY? She was mad.
Yeah, that's what I get.
Yeah. So it looks like GJ's struggling at this area, which is a bit of a shame. That 5-minute candles came out of nowhere. So we'll see. Maybe resistance is forming in this area. Oof. Oof. This is going to be an interesting hourly closure. If I had to look for sales, probably below this area over here. 154,426. Yeah. Something like this I did before. Wow, that's a big rejection. So this is why you got to wait for a closure, man, because here you're going to get tapped pretty hard here, so be careful. Yeah, me too. I want a nice hourly closure. Damn! News question mark? I don't know. It could be news, but it could be news all week, to be honest. Random news articles coming out about wars. Max, I sent in the Magic Keys, a chart for the Magic Keys giveaway. Let's take a look. Our USD, 8 pip range, nice. Yeah, I think closures above that area would be looking good, because as you said here, look. 20 pips to continue to fill that wick up. That looks pretty good for sure. Very, very nice. Yeah, I think a closure above that area would be looking good. Nice clean chart. You got your hour and your 4-hour areas and weekly highs as well. Beautiful. Very, very nice.
I rather prefer sales.
Yeah.
On GA, because this is a downtrend.
Look at GA over here. Rejected. Yeah, I mean, wow. It's mad that it came up to 154,627 now and just rejected hard. Yeah. So we'll see. I want it kind of below this area because this is the support at 440, so I want it at least lower than this zone. 427. Yeah. I think that's what I'm going to look for over here. Oh, wow, so people getting in here early on Impulsive Monday have just been slapped hard. Damn, boy. Yeah, nice. So if it just continue down, yeah, 154,200 would be pretty good.
You
You what?
On 1 hour max. On GU 1 hour. Oh, it's acting like he's making a double top on 1 hour.
Yeah, it looks like it depends where this closes, you know. If it still closes above, then fair enough. But yeah, it doesn't look too good, does it? For all GUP pairs to continue bullish. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, still chilling about. Hourly's closing. Minute 27 seconds. Do you think gold will tap 1904, 1905 zone and revert back to 1893? No idea. It doesn't look like it's going to be tapping 1905 anytime soon, though, is it really? Potentially, maybe, but you know, I think at the moment it's still very, very bearish. I think there's more probability for it to continue down still. I mean, if this candle over here as well, this next one wicks up to 580 and then starts flipping and exceeding the low, damn, that'll be like the third rejection. That could be pretty reasonable as well. Just gonna quickly go to the toilet, 30 seconds left. Give me 1 sec. Okay, over here. GJ over here. It made the top wick now. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Exceeding the low of the previous. Looking nice to continue down now, which is good. I'm going to give it another 15 minutes for the closure below. And then, yeah. Or, if it comes back up to 580 and then makes the top wick and then flips, then potentially. But yeah, we'll see. Exceeding the low of the previous 30. It's also exceeding the low of the previous hourly soon. Which is nice. But really good rejections over here. Very, very nice. So yeah, something like this to the left hand side that we want to mimic would be really good. Resistance forming, exceeding the low. I mean, what I'd prefer is to get in there with stop loss above, but it's 20 pips, so yeah, I gotta wait. Gotta wait a little bit longer over here. Nice area to the lows, to be honest. So really nice zones to fill. So yeah, it's good. I joined Discord. I'm unable to see chat. Yeah, you gotta go to server rules and tick the button first. So server rules here. No, sorry, here, and then tick that button there, and then you'll see stuff. Then you'll see a lot more. Let's take a look at GU closed. GU closed, ooh, a little bit above, but not really the best. 30 minutes also here, rejected. Damn! Damn,
This
boy.
is sell for sure.
Yeah. Oh, yes. 13 minutes left of this GJ. Let me just write this on. Yeah, so, I mean, wow, it looks like GJ over here is just chilling about. I think in this next 15 minutes we're going to get the direction over here. And it should be good to continue down. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame, potentially flipping it now, which would be rejecting the highs again. Damn. Daily time frame still bearish, so yeah, we'll see, we'll see. But the reason why I don't want to get into them trades here, really, I mean, you could have potentially have got in here, then just had to stop loss to break even, hope it continues, is because of the support here. You see, it's the same kind of area. I just want to wait. I'd rather wait for a little closure below again, and then continue down. And that'll be with the flipping of the 4-hour as well. So yeah. we'll see. Looks like gold still continuing down over here. But yeah, kind of the move, missed the move if you didn't get in there. That's fine though, just gotta chill out for it. GBP AUD exceeded the low. Take a look at the hourly. Hourly looks good to continue down for sure. GU. GU's looking good. Exceeding the low of the 30-minute, which means the probability now for it to continue down is looking high. So yeah, we'll see. Trying to think of ways to get in over here, but it's quite hard, you know. I'd rather just wait for this next closure and then you could potentially do it. Looks like a lot of volume in over here. Damn, just retracing fucking 5 pips over here. Okay, let's take a look at some chart works over here, guys. Beautiful. So somebody has sent me a chart in. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is GJ on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, putting this. Which one should I start on? Trend is bullish. Candles respecting the lows and previous highs. So yeah. Stop loss is below here. Entry if it closed. Yeah. Clean zone with gap. High probability to fill the zone. Yeah. Putting this wick into consideration, and I would prefer candle to close above the resistance on 30-minute hourly. Yeah, this looks good, looks good. Going to put the bottom of the range when we start approaching. Might take profit if we start rejecting. Yeah, beautiful. 154,900 would be reasonable. For sure. Very, very nice. Good chart work there. Hey man, why are you looking for sells below 424? Because that'll be below the previous 30-minute support area, which is here. And I'll be rejecting back to, then continue back down to 154,200. Let's take a look at what the hourly's doing. Yeah, man, it's a hard situation now. Oh, people getting in on themselves too early now, just taking 10 pips drawdown here. Yeah, gotta be waiting patiently for it, because now, you know, price could also make some support, because look to the left, there is a big support level at 427, so price could also continue bullish over here. It's kind of a guessing game right now, so best to just wait, let GJ pick the direction, then you can follow it. Especially the 4 hour. 4 hour, you know, is bullish, but it's not like in a massive direction. Pretty much at the entry, so gotta let the higher time frames pick the direction. And then, because if they don't know the direction, then you're not gonna know at all where the direction is gonna be, because they haven't even decided on the higher time frames. So you gotta just wait, and then you follow the trend. Pretty simple. I did think we were gonna get a closure here though at 154,620, but I couldn't. I'm still confident in sells hanging around entry. Yeah. I don't know. I think if we get a closure like this here, so like that, then yeah, it should be good to continue back down over here. But it does seem to be struggling to break this little zone over here. Little bit. What are you looking for GU, Milan?
Say again?
What are you looking for in GU?
I entered on GU already. On 1 hour.
1
Yeah,
hour.
on 1 hour.
1 hour.
I only sell. I
Yeah,
only,
but on the
I
flip or
entered
the
only
low?
12%. No. I was thinking about 15 resistance on 15 minutes, and then I enter. Let me see, where's my 683. I enter, and my stop loss is that week.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking, the 1 hour is doing just a double top. There's a break, retest. Now coming up, that's like double top
Yeah.
on downtrend. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I think it should be okay. A little bit of minor support there, 654. I'm just worried the way that GJ keeps on tapping in this area and not pushing through it is a bit cautious. Okay, let's take a look at Ramsey's chart over here. Waiting for 15-minute close back in the range on GU. Okay, let's take a look over here. Beautiful. Entry if you close back in the range. 30-minute fake out of price book previous hourly lows with the momentum with the 4-hour candle. Beautiful. Yeah, it looks good. So it looks like what example this is that Ramsey's showing is one of our setups over here that we go through a lot. And it is this one. So price closed above over here. Could not continue and then closes back in the range with the 4-hour flip, which is what he has. And then price should continue and fill the range. Easy. Easy. Beautiful, beautiful work using our setups over here. Very nice. 5 minutes left for this candle. Ooh, now it's breaking the lows. Good. We'll see, we'll see. Take a look at the hourly now. Yep, looking nice. 5 minutes left for this closure for me, and it should be good.
I put my chart for GU.
So yeah, take a look. Oh, 11 pip stop right now. 11, 12 pip stop for sells. Okay, I hope it holds on here. And I can get it on the low. Where did you put it, Milan? Telegram.
Yeah, Telegram setup.
Yeah, nice. That looks good. Looks good, looks good. Rejecting pretty hard. Looking pretty nice. Oh my god, GJ, you really don't want to break that zone. 4 minutes left. Double top means higher probability to form. I think people, you know, kind of don't kind of look at this as a double top sometimes, because, you know, if price wanted to continue here and got a closure above, then your sells wouldn't have played out. It's just because you've got the rejection now. Look at the candles here. They've exceeded the lows of the previous. This hasn't exceeded the highs. So it's bearish now, rejecting a certain level, which just makes sense, which also is a double top. But it wasn't a double top before when we were coming above over here. Yeah, just try not to think too much into that, you know.
I was just waiting some kind of resistance, you know,
yeah,
to make resistance and then.
Yeah, because like exactly.
Not impulsively sell.
If
I would just make it
like
some resistance.
15 minutes ago, it was looking like this, and if we got a closure like this, and price made the lower wick in the hourly and did that, then we were gonna go up. So it's just a key level. How many times have you fucking came to this level and just ran up like 9 pips? 3 minutes left for this closure over here. Nice. We should be flipping the 4-hour time frame, which is good. Higher time frame flipping is always good. So we'll see. We will see. Get the likes up, guys. Yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys, if you're waiting for this trade and you haven't been faked out yet. You're chilling, waiting patiently. So yeah, we'll see. 5 minute time frame on gold, respect the previous candles.
Yeah, I got 8 pips. Ooh, 9. Breaking for GU for me.
Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Beautiful work, Milan. Isn't good for a sell.
Thank you, thank you.
No, not really. The 5 minute just closed bullish view. I feel gold has done the move now. Yeah, gold has done the move. Oh, don't run off in the last 2 minutes, man. You fucking asshole. Oh, GJ, you really are so boring right now. Beautiful. So I had to wait until the last 2 minutes of this candle to run over here. Nice. So 4 hours flipped over here, bearish. Beautiful. Take a look at the daily time frame coming down. So 1 minute 43 seconds left. Beautiful. So now the stop loss is way too fucking big, so that's great. Yeah, GJ can suck my dick. I don't really care about it anymore. Let's take a look at the hourly on gold. Yeah, as I said, the move here, that was the main move. If you missed it, then tough shit, really. Beautiful on GU. How much is your stop on the previous? If you got in here, there, 12 pips. Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, that was 12. And I didn't close yet. I'm waiting for 1 hour to tap.
Nice.
That's support.
Very nice.
I got 15 so far.
Mm.
I'm not closing.
You're not closing anything?
No, waiting for
Little bit of
1 hour.
There's a little bit of support. 533.
Yeah, I was watching this chart on 1 hour, so I will respect me. I respect myself. Yeah. I got break even, so that's okay.
Yeah. Nice, you get 50 pips and break even for the rest. Nice. Beautiful work. Very nice. What chart was that on that you got 15 pips there? I'm assuming it's GU as well. Daily time frame continuing down over here. Nice. This is what I wanted, but I just wanted this in 2 candles, not 1. Beautiful. Got a closure now. I'll see you at the top wick over here if you want to continue down. 420 would be nice for me. To continue back down 154, 188 would be pretty good. Let's take a look on the 30. Yeah, it's still good to 154, 200, like 10 pips away. It's okay, 13 pips away. We'll have to see. So GJ, sorry, gold got his 15-minute bullish candle. Does that mean buy? Nope, because you know it's still very, very bearish as a whole. Just be cautious like that. Take a look on GJ. Sorry, GBP AUD. Still hasn't. I did flip the daily, but kind of struggled with it. Yeah, fuck you, GJ. Still no nice entries for me. I have a good win rate, but I close trades too early. What do I do? What you gotta do in that sense is you've gotta, you know, don't just go, oh, I'm gonna run them on now. It's all about the zones, man. If you can run a certain zone, which has clean candles, then there's no point in closing early. And if you do close early, just write it down on your journal. Oh yeah, I closed early here. Actually ran to 17 pips and I only closed at 9. And then, you know, as you start getting the data and the confidence up, you'll realize, yeah, why do I keep on doing this? Let's just chill out for a bit. Let's take a look on this 30. Yeah. Just scraping 12 pips in these lows. I'll see now. Let's take a look at the lows over here. My IC markets is different to this over here. 390 level? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. My exceeding of the lows would be 295. Yeah, 295 on the exceeding of the lows. For me, let's take a look on this hourly. Yeah, it looks good to continue down, man. For sure, for sure. How long has this got left? Just 12 minutes. Yeah, that's pretty good. As long as it comes up to this little 4-hour line again, 380 would be pretty good. Where did you get pics of the setups from? I made them. I made them with my own hands. Okay, this is looking good now. Should be like 295. The only issue is to the next previous 30, the 30 minute is only like 10 pips scraping it, so. Yeah, that is my issue. So what I'm saying here, guys, is that now, if you go in at 295 here, the next support is just scraping 10 pips. I mean, you might be alright, but it isn't the nicest. Oh, even 8 pips on this one.
Yeah, it's enough to put dollars to break even.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, and it's a bit choppy here though on the left and the 15 now. 30 minute looks alright. But yeah. How does one get hands on them? Just join the mentorship and you get them all in the G drive. Yeah, I don't think we have to rush for this. I may wait for this 30 minute. I meant in GA sells if there's 30 minute flips. If there's 15 minute flips, did you say? Yeah. Fair enough. I think stops 10 pips, 15, 16 pips. Yeah, it could be reasonable. So GJ now is coming up and tapping a previous zone 390, which is good to see. I think now if it does want to continue down over here, we're going to get a nice push. So I'm going to put my sell stop on. If it comes too close to this 30-minute closure, then I'm just going to wait. 1 second, let me just update this over here. And if you do want to continue back bullish, which it looks like it's potentially doing over here, then yeah, look at that 5-minute bullish closure. Yeah, man, this is looking interesting. So right now, if we got in on the low, it's going to be way too big. So I'm going to have to move my entry to the flip, which is 317. So 317 would be the entry, stops would be, where is it? Like 435. If it does break this high though, then and come back above, I think if this 5-minute closes above, then I will not like it at all. But yeah, we'll see. So the moment I got a sell stop here. Because now prices came up to the area I wanted to reject. If it then starts flipping over here, then it's rejecting this zone. Because this is a certain level and a zone. And then this is the next one over here to continue further. We've tapped it, the previous one. So if you do want to flip over here, we should be good to continue. High probability to continue down. Oh, and Dolly's here. Hello. Are you coming to say hi? Oh. We've got Pooch in the house today. She's just woken up, but what she's going to do is she's going to go into my bed and she's going to jump back into bed. She goes into the covers and then she'll pass out again. What an easy life for a dog, eh? So yeah, we'll see. 6 minutes left for this 15-minute time frame now, and the 30-minute. Is it enough time for us to continue down, flip, and then push 10 pips? Probably not. So I'm gonna wait now for this 30-minute to close. Oh my god. What did you just break, Dolly? Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close over here. Take a look at these 5-minute candles. Yeah, they don't look too good to continue now. They don't look too good to continue. Let's take a look here. Have you got a baby Dober, man? Or is it a dad? It's a dog. Yeah, so look at this over now here. Coming up bullish. I've deleted my sell stops now. Because look at I always look at the time of the candles. You know, how long is left of the candles left? What do I want to see this candle do? Well, I want to see this candle, you know, do something like this. Is it going to do that in the next 5 minutes? Probably not, so probably wait. Dachshund, yeah, it's a Dachshund. Little sausage dog. GU as well, 30-minute closing over here in 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, kind of came to the support of here. Did you take your positions off, Milan, or are you still holding, you greedy bastard?
I'm still holding.
Oh,
I'm still
no.
Holding. I'm still holding.
No.
I got 15 pips, but I didn't close.
Oh, Milan.
I was waiting 22 downstairs.
There is a little bit of support over here that, for me, yeah, 534. Oof. So yeah, GJ coming back up over here, really, really strong 50-minute closure. 30-minute is actually going to be close and maybe bullish over here. Damn! 333 people in here. Really, really good support there, guys, on a Monday morning. Damn, good stuff. Hourly flipping back up again. Jeez. Delete my sell stops though. Stop loss too big. Yeah, I think that's the same for me. Let's take a look at this chart over here. So 15-minute here, 4-hour bearish. I would wait for candle to make a top wick, 4-hour, then take the sells when the current candle flips. Yeah, kind of look at what I was looking for, but it looks like we came up too high now over here. A little bit too high, which is fine. Stops were too big. It'd be interesting to see what this 30-minute closes, because look what it's doing over here. It looks like it may be respecting this 424 level of support. That's where it seems to be struggling at. Is it safe trading alone? Because I'm suffering here. I don't have a partner. I sometimes miss opportunities. Well, everyone misses opportunities, but it's good to trade with other people. I think it makes it a lot more enjoyable. Doing it by yourself is a bad place. It's so boring. It's fucking boring as shit. And if you're on there just staring at the charts for like 4 hours and then you'd have a losing day as well, yeah, it's pretty shit. Whereas if you communicate as a group and, you know, if you take the loss all together and you guys can see what went wrong, did you guys manage risk well, you know, that's what me and my group do, you know. Yeah. Ooh, rejecting hard over here. Jeez. 15 pips would be on the high if we got this flip, but 2 minutes time, closing bullish. Interesting. Yeah, so it looks like a little bit of volume came in at 8 o'clock, which is a nice little push down. Stops we may have had just at the high of this zone over here, but still would have been kind of guessing it. Push down. How far did this push down actually? Yeah, 15 pips. I mean, it's okay. Not the best though. No real direction. Yeah, exactly. We're on the 4-hour flips. You know, it's kind of hard. Let me just delete this time. I took break even on GJ. Wicked stuff. Nice to see. Yeah. For sure. How to enter giveaways. You have to give me a detailed chart on the Discord, and I will pick a winner. I want the best detail, okay? Euro JPY over here. 129,300, 90 pip range. Yeah, beautiful. So a closure above. It looks like you're looking for. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Clean candles to fill this little gap it's had. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, I took a look at that one before as well. I'm going blind on gold chart. What do you mean? Yeah, man, this is what I'm saying, you know. This was the move before, this one here. I wanted a closure like 1903, didn't get that, it just launched down. So I instantly just left gold, because that's the move, you know. That's what we were looking for. We were looking for a close below this area. Clean candles to the left, meaning that price moves quickly in that area. It ran down, and that's it. Tough shit. Like, you've missed the move. Try not to like look in depth of it and try and take in like little trades here. You know, that was the move. If you've missed the move, then that's fine, but don't try and trade it, because what you're gonna do is then you're gonna lose money looking at gold. And you're like, oh, I should just took this one. Now I've lost money on it, because you know the move's finished now. It did this move. It could just range in this area now. Yeah, if you missed the move, just grow up and get on with it. That's what you gotta do. I get confused when I assess the charts using the time frames. Is it best to use 2 time frames, say 4 and 15 time frame, because they are so different in strength? Well, don't just use like one of them. Just use all of them. Just use all of them. You know, like use the daily, use the 4 hour, use the hourly, use the 30. Like use all of them. It's good to see. Oof. Who's I can support for me to continue bullish? The only issue is the hourly's against you, man, and the daily's against you. But if this was kind of like higher time frames, you know, bullish, etc., this buy would be quite nice. Stop loss below. If it exceeds the high, but stops there would be like 17 pips, so kind of aggressive. I'm just gonna wait until 627 again.
I got break even. Fuck.
Oh no, Milan. Milan was too greedy.
Yeah.
Thing is though, like it would have been okay. It's just that the 15 had a support, right? It's like what happened with me last week when you said max close at 9 pips and I shut off. So
Yeah.
15 over here. It's a good example of where like maybe 30-minute looks a lot cleaner to continue down, but just check the 15 because the 15.
That's what I'm thinking about.
15 here, you can see there's a little bit of support there.
Yeah, I was wrong.
It's good though. Did you have any drawdown? Looks like you probably didn't.
No.
It's good. It's good. Good. Yeah, looking kind of hard now. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. But yeah, as I said, the simulation tomorrow. I'm going to do the webinar today as well. I'm going to have a very, very busy day today, but I'm excited for that. Doo-doo. 72 likes, amazing work, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Exceeding the high, the previous 15. Should we continue back bullish over here to the highs at least, and then after the highs, I'm going to be looking at some trades. So yeah, we'll see. So there we go over here, gold retracing. All the way back up, probably. You look on the 15. Yeah, 1904. Yeah, people in the mentorship over here. That guy who had his gold trades, there's sells on from like 1822. He messaged me yesterday saying, I've lost everything. So he lost the whole account, probably. I was like, yes.
You lost the buyers and the sellers.
Probably.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You go.
Oh my god.
What does he say to me? He goes, just lost everything, man. I'm like, okay, I don't know what to do. Anyway, you can help me, please. I was like, how the fuck am I meant to help you? I just left it there, but yeah. This guy on Instagram, if people didn't know, no, not someone from the mentorship, no. I just talked about it in the NY stream. Someone on Instagram just sent me a video of their meta trader, and they had sells from 1822, and it was at like 1901. And he also had a buy at 1917 to like hedge it. So he's just in $6,000 drawdown, and then he's asking me what to do, and I said, well, and if it was me, just close the sells and then keep the buy on, and that was like here. So he could have made it all back if he just held that buy on. But it looks like he didn't do that, unfortunately, which is a shame. Yeah. That's a shame. But yeah, it looks like this is why I was kind of being a bit cautious in this area here. At 420. Because it looks like, you know, it's been a clear level of support before. So I wanted to have a real closure below that area. So yeah. Was Brian taking any trades this morning? Did you take this little cheeky sell?
No, my terminal freaked out.
Oh
I
god.
had to reinstall and load and.
Oh, that's a pain.
But I've just installed the soft magic keys and I put the hard one away, so that also wasn't linking. So
Nice.
So we're ready. We're ready. But,
We're ready.
I hate it when it freaks out like that.
Yeah. Do you think you would have took that 8 o'clock one?
Say again?
Do you think you would have took that 8 o'clock push here?
Bro, I wasn't even looking at the chart.
Oh. You got the on-screen one. Nice.
Yeah, I'll use that now. Fuck it. Let's just get everything sorted and stuff.
Yeah. Works pretty well.
When you open Calc, it says on your terminal it says lock price. You ever get that thing at pop up?
It says what price?
Lock price.
Oh. No.
Like if you just push open Calc and then on your terminal screen that your chart's on, it brings up a little tab called lock price.
Oh no, I don't have that. I don't know.
I'm gonna send them a
Lock price, is that for your FN? Wait, oh no.
I don't know. I'm gonna message them.
Yeah. Someone else does. He says someone else has the lock price on YouTube. Oh, G is starting to come back down over here, flipping the 30-minute. But yeah, that 50-minute closure here, kind of strong. But it looked like it did just tap 718. But we'll see. Boom, boom.
Did you get BE on that, Milan?
Yeah, he did.
You got BE?
Yeah.
How far did it run?
15 pips.
Yeah, I got break even. Yeah, I got like 15, 60 pips. I didn't want to close.
Oh, that's karma from when me and Finn went 9 pips.
Oh, twice in a row.
I know. Fucking twice in a row.
I enter only with a couple percent. I enter only with 4%. I want to try it.
Oh, that's why. That's why, Milan. I'm telling you, this is why. If you change your lots, you try and run it longer. Just keep your same fucking lot. Why did you have that half lot? What was the reason?
Yeah, because because top loss was 12 pips, so I didn't want to lose 1.2. I know, but
yeah, that's
like
that's one of the reasons why I don't change my lots, because it'll make me like, when I'm up like a nice reasonable amount, you'll look at your chart and you're like, oh, I'm only up like 5 pips normally, so let's just try and run this a bit more, and then you forget the charts really. That's why I just keep it the same.
Yeah, I know, but when the stop loss is bigger than 10 pips, I cannot put 1%. You know.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. So last 50-minute candles in gold have been trailing up. People are still trying to hold sells here. Be careful. Same kind of thing here. You know, don't be greedy with these sells. They tapped 1894, which was the support before. So use the data to the left to your advantage. You know, it had a support here, so that's where you should be taking profits. Any idea why the ruble just skyrocketed? Oh, I don't know. Ryan's got his mic on. Oh, I don't know why actually. Let's take a look at cryptos today. I've seen Ukraine have been asking for some crypto. like people send me
completely shit in the last week or so.
Yeah, but then it retraced pretty much instantly after the. Wait, let's take a look. What the fuck is this? Wait. But yeah, it was pretty garbage. One day I looked at my account and the shit like fucking disappeared. Yeah, it's still pretty garbage to be honest, but yeah, that was the daily. What day was that? 24th. Oh! But yeah, the next day it retraced all the way back up. So I was like, okay. Yeah, it's not doing too well at the moment.
Okay. We should have this last. Fucking hell.
What's this?
I've got what the lock price thing does.
Oh yeah.
So when you push open calc, right?
Yeah.
Then your SL is there and your take profit line is there.
Yeah.
If you push lock price, then your SL and take profit moves as price moves.
Oh.
So it locks it. You know what I mean? So it moves with price. So your R to R stays the same if you have a preset R to R.
Oh, okay. I get you.
Actually, not a terrible idea.
Flipping good, eh? I'm gonna set mine
on something
1
like
to
gold,
7.
you got to have like a 30 pip stop or whatever.
I'm gonna set mine 1 to 7 and trade that only.
Fuck that gold, mate, that would have been a banger. Imagine just taking 100 pips at full lot.
Yeah. Russia Bank just increased by 20%. Yeah, I saw that. 20% interest rate. Fuck. That means that the whole. That's good though for us because it means like the Russians just as normal people are gonna get fucking pissed off because they're gonna get shafted. 20%. So if they want to borrow any money, it's gonna cost them a shitload of. Yeah. I think that's what we were trying to do. Trying to just get the Russians to just fucking kick off with him. But apparently they already are. Like I've seen on TikTok and stuff, they're doing some big shit. What? Have you got in again?
What's that fucking
On the retest.
Milan just got.
Oh, JJ! She's coming back down.
Looks like a lot of volumes coming in. Wait, Milan, you got in on the retest.
Yeah, a little bit below.
Wait, what price?
On 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes. On a flip.
Nice. Wow, Milan just got that back. Now is he gonna push through now? Is he gonna lose his money again? What time are you getting? 645. We're up 10 pips. Yeah.
I got break even again. I will see.
Could be okay now. Oh yeah, GG's pushing. More volume coming in here, boy.
Yeah, I put break even for GU again. Let's go GU. Fuck yeah.
Max, are you saying you think Russians will take out Putin? Not take him out, but that, you know, if his own country doesn't like him, then he's pretty fucked. Doesn't matter how many countries he wants to take over. Like if people don't support him, I mean, it's all rigged anyway. But I don't know. I just think it would help. Wow. So 30-minute continue down over here. 15 minutes closed. Is going to be closing bearish in 2 minutes time. Jeez, there's a lot of spontaneous volume over here randomly. That was looking good to continue up, so I'm being a bit cautious. See this 2 minutes closure. How long left for this hourly? 17 minutes left. Yeah.
You break that fucking zone. Salary play.
Look at this. GJ's coming back up over here. Fucking hell. Very volatile.
GU salary right now. 115.
Yeah, it already happened, yeah. Nah, man, I'm looking at GJ on my chart, and this shit keeps on like moving and then like retracing like fucking 6-7 pips. Like fuck that. it's struggling. Moscow Stock Exchange is holding, but Rub is failing to jump. Yeah. Faxmax, without support of his own people, it could mean civil war. Everything depends on what side army would be. Yeah. Well, it already looks like there's been reports where like a lot of Russians have just gone to war and they've just took off their uniforms and just fucking ran and said, I don't want to be in this war. Fuck this shit.
Fucking hell, I'm gonna close 50%.
Just take a look. Yeah. Put your stop under the, no. Put your stop there. 568. Respect 1 minute resistance.
I'm gonna close 50.
Yeah, it seems to be struggling to break it. Yeah, GJ for me now. You know, what is this really for me and GJ? This is volatility, right? Because volatility is, you know, price moving but not really with a direction. Momentum is price moving in one direction. So we like good momentum because it's one direction, easy to take trades. But volatility is showing that price is just struggling to go. It's, you know, it's struggling to find a direction. But it's got a lot of volume. So it means if you take a trade, you're going to probably take a lot of drawdown and you don't know what direction it's going in. So gold looking good for sells.
Yeah, it looks sort of rejected a little bit.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Looks like this news came. Looks like this news
Say
came.
shut up.
Yeah.
How do you suck my balls? How does that sound? Come on. Go get 15 pips again and then get stopped out.
Oh, he got you there.
I close 50%. I close 50%.
Oh, 50% of fuck all.
Yeah, I like you guys.
Let's take a look. Well, the high is 30 pips. Let's take a look on this 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute is a big bearish closure. 30 minute is still, you know, alive. Has exceeded the high of the previous. The hourly's got 50 minutes left though. I mean, looks pretty promising. It's just where's your stop's gonna be. Let's take a look on the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minutes right at the highs as well. It's just fucking 30 pips stop. Dude.
No, it's going to create a top wick, alright? Have some faith.
Yeah. So it looks like GJ closed 50 minutes. Let's take a look on the 30. Yeah, it does look good to continue down over here. Where would your stops be?
It's just gone really quiet, Max.
Have I? Am I better now?
Yeah, sounds better.
Ooh, it's only 12. It's only 12 pips in the high of the previous. Oof. 30 minute has got 13 minutes left. Is that enough?
Is Stefan here? Stefan?
I think so.
Is he here?
I think he was before.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're pretty silent. Really quiet.
Nothing to do at the moment.
He's focusing. Because what I'm liking here is, right, the support that I had before on the 30, we've closed below it again. Yes. The only issue is the stop. It's 12 pips.
For GJ, if this current candle creates a top wick and then it breaks its own low,
Yeah.
I'll enter and I'll move my stops break even when it breaks. What is it? 300.
Yeah.
A little bit higher. 317. Put stops break even.
Yeah. Yeah, I might just
If
leave
you
it.
got in on the flip of this 15 on gold now too, you'd have a roughly 10 pip stop.
Let's take
Oh,
a
you're
look.
looking at JJ, sorry.
Yeah, no, I think gold looks reasonable as well. Actually, let's take a look. My
You
stop
went
over
to GG? I
here.
didn't see.
My stop over here. I kind of want it just as a 10 pip stop. Let's take a look on the 30. How long's left? 11 minutes. It's just because it's closed below. I like. It should fill the zone. What did you say about gold over here? Yeah, gold looks pretty reasonable as well.
You entered GG? I didn't see.
I haven't entered, but I've got the stop. I've got the sell stop on.
And then flip.
Yeah. I mean, I'd rather have it come at 4:30, but you know, may just respect this 4:20 area again. Come on,
Yeah,
push
a
it
little bit
high.
higher wick.
With
Yeah,
top
higher
loss.
wick.
Stop loss is just going to be 10 pips. I'd rather have it over something, but it looks like I can't really at the moment.
If it goes up a little bit more, you can put it on the flip.
Yeah.
You can gain a little bit more.
My IC market is different to this. My 370 is actually on the flip.
Yeah, me too. Just
Take care, everyone. I'm out. Last day of the month. I won't give up small profits. Back today. Huge week ahead. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Tell you when it's activated. Oh, being activated over here. Nice. Beautiful. So, 470 over here. Back in the previous zone. Pretty happy with that. And yeah, we'll see. Oh, coming up over here. 5 minutes left. 9 minutes of this candle. Okie dokie. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I would rather have it on the high, but you know, it's kind of like 3 pips away. It's okay. And that's pretty reasonable. Let's take a look at gold now. 5 minute just goes bullish on gold. Kind of hard. Take a look at the hourly. 9 minutes left. Yeah. We shall see. I don't know if I like them 5 minute supports. Oh shit, yeah, I don't like them 5 minute supports now. Fuck. Let's take a look on the 5 minute again. Yeah, this is not looking too good now. Ah, I should have waited for the fucking exceeding of the low, man. Let's take a look to manage risk soon then over here. Gonna give this 3 minutes. If this closes back above 420, I'm just gonna close everything. Because 420 seems to be the really, really critical level that's holding. Wait a second. This. As long as it respects 420, then it should be good. So we'll see. 8 minutes left for this candle. Hopefully it's made the top wick now.
I got GU break here again.
No way!
Yeah, but I close 50%.
Yeah, that's fair.
Alex.
Come on, get past 380, boy. Hello, I am new here. Oh, welcome. Welcome, welcome.
And I got slipped on GJ. My enter is right now.
Oh, wow.
Price. Yeah, I don't know how.
Bit of a higher entry.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna look now how to manage risk over here. If we exceed this this current high at 444, I'm gonna take off 50% over here. Actually, do you know what? Yeah, actually, yeah, I'll do 50%. 50% off at 154,450. Beautiful. So 50% off to risk
Shit,
manage.
I'm in plus 2 pips.
Lucky you. I'm down 2 pips.
I didn't get activated.
Did you not?
No,
Yeah,
I didn't.
me neither.
Oh, you motherfuckers.
I'm hearing silences.
My entry is on that bottom wick.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why.
Well, I had it set. Yeah, that's good. You guys are alright then. I think if it exceeds a low, you're good now.
Yeah,
Six.
my
The
spread
only issue for me is 6 pip.
11.
Yeah, I don't like them 5-minute candles at all, to be honest. I'm going to move full stops to 450 now.
I think if it flips now, we have 7 minutes left on the 15 minutes candle.
Yeah.
And on the hourly.
Yeah, so I'm moving full stop over here, guys, now to this high. I don't want it to exceed its current high, and that's the way to manage risk. And I also don't like the 5 minutes, to be honest. It's taking its time too much. Don't want to be in it, really, for too long. But yeah, it's like a nice, very, very tight stop. So pretty happy with that. And the 1 hour's closing as well, so yeah. Yeah, I can't get past this 5 minute. I'm not looking too good on this now. Watching this candle closure. If it's above this area 425, I'm going to close the full thing. Because I just don't like the way it's setting up. Yeah, 5 minutes left for the hourly. Let's see what this hourly is going to close. Yeah, still bearish, which is good to see. So yeah. Just taking its time. Hey Max, can you explain why 50% off is a good idea when you could probably hold on full TP? Because it's managing risk, right? I don't think this is actually going too well now because of the 5 minutes making some support. And now this current candle has made a top wick. If we exceed this top wick, the probability that I win this trade is going to be very low anyway. So to manage risk, closing 50% off on that high is a really good way to get your RR up and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah. That's what you do. That's how you do some risk, dynamic risk, all that good stuff helps out. So yeah, just a way to manage risk. So it means like normally our losses in GG are like 7 pips, 6, 7, 8 pips, and our winners are like 10, 12, 15. So. Yeah, these 55-minute candles are not looking too good, boy. There's so much volatility. I'm looking at my MetaTrader and fucking hell, man. This war does not make it nice at the moment.
Oh, trading safe havens. Confusions like this are awful.
Yeah. Oh, let's take a look at gold. 3 minutes left for the 15. Yeah, it looks like potentially price is just ranging now. Oh, yes. What do you mean by flip? Do you mean the 4-hour flip? The daily flips, you mean? When you set your magic keys to close 50% off in level when price is moving against you, you press the FN button and then press set partial stop loss, and then in the settings you make it to 50%. Yeah, I'm out over here, guys. No good. Beautiful. So managed it pretty nicely over here. That's kind of a risky trade, to be honest. So 7 pips. Lost for people who got in. Yeah, a lot of people didn't get in over here, which is a bit of a shame. Let's take a look over here. Like partial stop loss. Yeah, you should press FN on the calculator. So yeah, GJ now, look at the 50-minute time frames. They're just everywhere. There's no clear direction. It's been a pain in the ass. Take a look at gold now. Gold over here has continued up. 30-minute has got 2 minutes left. Nice. Pretty decent. But yeah, not really too good on GJ this morning. It's been pissing about, to be honest with you. GJ -7. I actually got in at 370, took it out at 447 pips. So second loss of the month. Ain't too shabby. But yeah, I mean, now look at the candles to the left hand side. It's just in a difficult zone. I thought this rejection of the 15-minute over here was good when we started flipping, looking nice. I'd rather have got in on the low, but for me, the stops are just too big for me right now. So that is the only issue. GJ straight simping, yeah, man. 30-minute candle closing in a minute's time. Hourly's also closing, but big wicks, not really big bodies, so shows indecision, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and yeah. Goldie rejected. I do still think if this candle flips here, but you know, there's a minute left. It's closing bullish, so kind of hard over here. So yeah, 9 o'clock. Is there going to be any more kind of direction? Probably not, man. I mean, it's struggled since 8 o'clock, and you know, it's only moved down like 15 pips, and it hasn't moved down much to be honest. So yeah, it's a shame. It was a nice before 7:45, 8 o'clock, a little bit of a push, and then from that, it just ranged pretty hard. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off here. Thank you very much for coming on. Shame about that, but only our second loss for the month over here on stream. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. See you later. Chat, we'll see you guys later tomorrow, and Zoom, we'll see you for NY session over here. Peace out, guys.
See you later, Max.
See you later. Adios,
Later, Max.
amigos. See you later.
Bye bye.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much. Peace out. Peace out. Oh, yes. See you later, guys. Peace out.